Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm showing a detailed unboxing and review of a third generation Fire TV Cube. Firstly, check its display and resolution. I'm playing a video from USB. This video is in 4K 60 FPS HDR format. Now this video is in 4K 60 FPS with HDR10. And now you are watching a 4K 60 FPS HLG format video. Now I will show you the YouTube response on 4K videos. This video is set on 4K Ultra HD resolution on 60 FPS. You can see it's running very smoothly. Now this is a 4K 24 FPS video of Avatar movie. This is full HD 1080p at 24 FPS video. You can also see the stats and other things like that on the screen. Now I will check the Netflix. You are watching clearly. It supports Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. The video resolution and result is awesome. Let's check Amazon Prime Video. You can access this by simply pressing a short key from the remote or by using Alexa button by voice access. This video is in 4K Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos format and its result is brilliant. Now it's time to check Disney Plus in 4K Dolby Vision and Atmos. Now I'll show you what you will get inside the box. This is a Fire TV box and this is the original powered device. You will also get a user manual with this. A regular DC power adapter is also given. And last but not the least, a 4th generation Alexa voice supported remote, which offers very simple operation. Now I will show you the comparison between 2nd generation and 3rd generation Fire TV Cube. Main difference between 2nd generation and 3rd generation Cube is its buttons. 2nd generation buttons are in depth while 3rd generation Cube buttons are flat. 2nd generation Cube is shiny and sharp from the corners, while 3rd generation Cube is matte and round from the corners. And on the back, 3rd generation Cube is rich in ports and connections. It has an extra HDMI input option, a direct USB port, and a LAN port, which were not present in 2nd generation Cube. This 3rd generation Fire TV Cube is twice as power as Fire Stick, so you can get real Ultra HD 4K streaming across board. Fully licensed for Netflix 4K, Disney 4K, Amazon Prime Video 4K, along with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support. Now I will show you its specification. It consists of a AM Logic POP1G octa-core 2.0 GHz processor, a Mali G52 graphics, 2 GB LPDDR4 RAM, 16 GB of internal storage, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.0, 100 MB LAN, 1 into HDMI output that supports 4K resolution at 60 FPS, 1 into HDMI input for a cable box. It is loaded with Fire OS and Android version 9, Alexa 4th generation remote with voice support. It supports maximum video resolution at 4K with HDR10, HLG and Dolby Vision. It also supports Dolby Atmos sound 7.1 and DA 5.1. I will quickly go through its settings and menu so you can see it. There is its internal storage. In this screen you can see its software version and you can also update it. These are the audio and video diagnostics. You can see its video and audio capabilities. Guys, believe me, this is the most outstanding streaming device available nowadays, as it gives a real 4K Ultra HD display supported by Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. You can also set its video resolution in the menu, color settings, and other display settings. Another exciting thing about this box is you can easily install or sideload third party apps. Just copy the APK files in USB and install them. Guys, the gaming experience of this box is also outstanding. I have checked Asphalt, Creed, WWE, and other games. Their result is very impressive. There is no lagging, and refresh rate is also very good. Here is a quick rating and comparison review with its competitors. It has a 5-star rating and at third place, which is not bad. Its cost is 139 US dollars. I will tell you quickly its pros and cons. Its pros are great new design, powerful performance, smooth 4K YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video. It have a super fast 6E Wi-Fi, supports Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision. User-friendly UI, responsive Alexa support voice control, support third-party apps, extra HDMI input, 100 MB LAN port, direct USB port, good quality speaker, responsive Bluetooth remote. Its cons are it's very expensive, its DC port is outdated, it supports only FAT32 hard disk or USB. Its main menu is very messy. In case of any query or questions, ask in comment section, we will reply them. Do subscribe our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.